Hey everybody, it's Julie Marie, and I wanted to mention those of you that picked up a Dutch oven pan and added it to your workplace for wellness. I wanted to show you how beautifully this browns onions. And when we dry brown, we want it to get nice and brown to the bottom of the pan, this golden brown color. And when you're working with the Dutch oven, you don't want to put it on high because this is going to retain a lot of heat. So I have it usually at about medium high. And I take my onions nice and caramelized, and I want that browning on the bottom of the pan. And when I feel like they are a nice color, because the color is what adds all the flavor, when they get to a nice color, I keep my water handy, and I'm going to flavor that with my Protective Diet broth mix. You could also use your own vegetable stock that you made. But I'm almost there. And I'm working on this week's recipe for Masa Ball soup. And these are all of the things that I'm going to add into my Masa Ball soup. I have parsley here, the base of like a good vegetable broth or faux chicken broth. Except I'm adding that jalapeno, and I'm garnishing it with cilantro and lime wedges. And I can't wait to show you how to make the masa balls. So you can see it's nice. It's getting a little darker in color. Don't get afraid of it. Just keep that water handy, because that water, as soon as I get enough color, which I think I'm there, I'm going to add my water, my broth, to my pan to deglaze my pan. And you're going to see, as this heats, all that browning from the bottom of the pan incorporates right into my soup base. And that's why I get this beautiful, rich, golden, almost brown in color broth to start off all my soups, my sauces, my stir fries. You know how we do it on a Protective Diet. Dry browning onions. You can do the same thing with mushrooms. My masa balls are ready. They're chilled and ready to drop. Everybody in, all at once. 2 more to go. That's how we do it. Don't lift the lid. Here's a little tip for you. If you're making the masa ball soup and the next day you have leftover broth, but you don't have enough leftover soup to boil another batch of your masa balls in, boil 6 cups of just plain water, reheat your soup broth in a separate pan, and then cook your 6 masa balls just like you would in broth. Same time, same temperature. Just a little tip. And you could cook them like this to add to any soup, or just to eat plain. They're delicious. Enjoy Protective Diet masa balls anywhere you need to add a little starch energy to your meal.